on today's agenda, 3 topics: movie fictional characters, cutest animals, kids, children, fictional characters. Cutest animals is out.
Yeah, let's not talk about that.
But isn't movie fictional characters a part of kids, children?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we should just go with the animated ones, because, like,
Is it
fictional...
animated or just like
Wait, what's the other one?
kids, children?
Oh.
Just do the animal, or the...
Okay, what are 2 of them? I forgot already.
There's movie fictional characters and like kids.
Oh.
So
movie
like,
fictional characters,
what you
like...
watched growing up.
Let's just do movie fictional characters.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it limited to like the animated though?
I
Or
don't
is it
think
just,
so.
Like, real?
I
I
think,
think it can be real
well,
people.
yeah, I don't think we should limit it to that.
Just do real people too. But you also do like little animated things.
But isn't fictional, like... Fictional is every movie, basically.
Fake, yeah, any like fake story.
Yeah, unless it's
Okay,
like
okay.
based off a true story.
Oh, we got this.
So I don't think you can do like the Kardashians. That wouldn't work.
Yeah, because that's reality. So,
Okay.
let's just go with that.
Okay. Kinsey, you start this
Okay.
off.
I'm not a big movie watcher, but if
we
I
do TV
want to
shows
live
too.
in
We
any
do
of
TV
like
shows.
Yeah.
Okay, TV shows too.
yeah, I'm gonna pick
As long as
Harry Potter, but not like Harry Potter himself, like that series. But I'd want to be like one of the outcast characters because I want to be in the Harry Potter world.
Oh.
But I don't want to be like him because he's pressure.
Yeah, I
but
get that. I've never seen Harry Potter before.
It's so
what's
good.
that thing?
I really like
that's
the books.
His friend.
Hermione and
Yeah.
Ron. Yeah.
Hermione.
Okay, I'm gonna go Caillou. Okay, hear me out. Caillou, like,
Is a rat.
what kid is bald nowadays? Like, what TV show has a bald kid?
The Charlie Brown.
Did you
All of
see
them are
that-
like bald, aren't
Oh my
they?
goodness.
Yeah.
You're right, but that's like back in the olden days, so, you know.
Wait, isn't
The
there a
olden
period?
days.
Yeah, that came out in like 1972 or something.
I watched
I
that.
swear.
But like you all rewatched it. Like, was it just being made when you were like just
Well,
rewatched it back? in
clearly.
the old times?
But,
Yeah.
yeah. Yep, Caillou.
Wait,
That's mine.
did you see the theory that like Caillou had cancer?
Oh my goodness.
And
No,
that's why
he'd
he
probably
was
be
bald.
dead. Like,
No.
why wouldn't he be in a hospital, though? Like, if he had cancer.
Not all kids who have cancer
Yeah.
are just in the
Well,
hospital.
like,
They just like get treatment.
I know, well, I don't think he could be, like, alive for that long. Alright.
I don't think it works that way, but okay. I pick Michelle.
From Full House.
Okay.
I love her.
She kind of, like, annoys me. Like, I know she's supposed to be, like, all cute and stuff, but, like...
Caillou kind of annoys me, so.
Alright.
That is valid.
He cries literally 24/7.
No, he doesn't.
Sure.
I
Don't
like
diss
never
Caillou.
watched Caillou.
He has a Tinder
I
tantrum
watched Charlie Brown. Thank you.
every episode. Okay.
Alright.
It's my turn again.
Oh.
I pick. It's a good one. Sophia. I'm Sophia first.
Oh my gosh. That was, like, my favorite show ever.
I wanted her necklace.
Me too, the amulet thing.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. Memories. I love that show.
The intro song is like actually
I was
good
a girl
though.
in the village too. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my god. My nails remind me of her. Okay. I'm trying to think of like a show from when I was little that I watched a lot. Oh my goodness. Clifford, the Big Red Dog. Yep. I don't remember any of like the other characters from that. Just Clifford.
Wasn't there a girl named like Emily Elizabeth?
Who owned
I think there
Clifford?
was.
Emily Elizabeth.
Emily Elizabeth?
Or was it a guy?
No, it was
No, it was definitely a girl.
And her
I
name
know,
was
like,
like,
never watched
hi,
it.
my name's Emily Elizabeth. I have a big dog.
Named
That's
Clifford.
red. Named Clifford.
Clifford. Alright, Kinsey.
I'm gonna go Max and Ruby.
Oh
got
my
that
goodness.
one?
I like
Max
that one.
and Ruby.
I always
Ruby
watch that with my
and Max.
grandpa.
Your grandpa? I don't have a grandpa.
Oh,
No one.
I'm sorry.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah. Is it your turn again?
Oh, okay. Let's see.
I'm trying to think of like things I watched like when I was like older, kind of. Like, I have a good one, but I'm not gonna share yet. Like all like those like teen Nick shows.
Oh, I wish I could pick Dance Moms.
Yeah, that's reality.
I love Dance Moms.
Wait, were you like Nickelodeon kids or like Disney kids?
Nickelodeon all the way. Disney shows were not good, like when they were
I
animated.
feel like I watched more Nickelodeon.
You really?
But I would switch back and forth.
I was a Disney kid.
What's the one, the princess show?
Princess Diaries?
It was, I don't remember the name of it. Something princess, but it was with, what is it called?
Okay, well there's a lot of
She
princess
okay.
shows.
She was like, it's one with Demi Lovato, and she goes to like, she's like this princess.
A Cinderella story?
It's something Cinderella, I bet.
And then it's something like Princess Protection Program.
Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Princess, oh my goodness. Yep.
And then she goes to like the
Yeah.
small town in America and like,
Love that one. That's a good one. Okay. I'm gonna go with Rapunzel. Because, I mean, that was my favorite movie growing up. Like, when I was little, I always wanted to be like her. And my mom told me that, like, one night before bed, she told me, like, if I cut my hair next morning, then it'll grow back like Rapunzel's. So then I cut it all off myself.
You did
What did she
not.
tell you that?
I don't know. No, but then,
How
yeah.
much hair did you have? Were you bald?
Basically. The way you gasped. But, oh my goodness, what am I doing with my
Did you
hair?
ever cut your own hair, Lindsay?
Mm-hmm. I would cut my sister's hair.
I cut my stuffed animal's hair too.
And like all my dolls, I would just cut their
That's what it
hair off.
reminds me of. I wish I could pick Judy B. Jones. I love Judy B. Jones.
That's a book, isn't
I
it?
know, but I wish they made a TV show about her. That could actually be so good.
What's your pick?
I had one and then I forgot it. George. From Curious George.
Okay. That was an okay show, I guess. It wasn't the best because I don't think the animation was very good, personally.
Okay.
I think it was pretty low quality because it's pretty old.
Yeah.
Is it your turn again, I think?
I think it's your turn.
Wait, no, it's
Yeah, it's your turn
Oh, it's
again.
my turn?
Yeah.
Okay. This is my last pick, right?
yeah.
Right. Gotta make it a good one. It's hard. I'll pick.
I just thought of a really good one.
It's good. I can't think of a good one.
Okay, I'll say one and then we can come back to you
Okay.
because I'm gonna forget it. Okay, so I don't remember the exact name, but it's where I think it was either mice or pigs. Two little mice. What were their names? I gotta research.
Two Little Mice.
Do you remember
Two
Ramona
mice.
and Beezus?
Yeah.
Did you watch that?
Oh my goodness!
I haven't seen
I
that movie in a
definitely just-
long time.
I love the They made so many books, but no movies. They made one.
They made books about it?
Mm-hmm. Like a whole bunch.
I know that.
Okay. So I swear I just have to think of this name.
Two mice.
Or two pigs.
Okay.
Charlotte's Web.
No, those were mice.
Are you sure you're not thinking
It's
of Magic
pigs.
Movie?
Okay, I got it.
Tom and Jerry.
Angelina Ballerina.
Oh, I remember that.
Best movie not movie, show. Best
I thought
movie.
it was weird.
It's like she was like a little dancer. And and she's super cutesy. So,
She had
It's
all your
okay.
toes.
do you want to go back to you?
No, Kenzie can go. Okay.
I forgot about the. I know what movie it is, but I can't think of the name. I don't know why. Okay, 10 Things I Hate About You, specifically Heath Ledger in that movie.
Oh my
Yeah.
gosh. I love that movie. Love, love, love.
It's such a comfort movie.
No, it really is.
I pick. I guess I'll pick. Did you guys watch Wonder Pets?
Mm-hmm.
Specifically, which one though?
All of them are so good. But Ming Ming.
Who?
Her name's like Ming Ming or Ming Ming.
Was that what character was that? Like, was it the duck? I would pick from that show. I know it's not my turn, but I would pick from that show the freaking duck, or the turtle, or the guinea pig.
Yeah, I think it was
the
either
guinea
a
pig.
guinea pig or the turtle. I think it was the guinea pig. 'Cause I think the turtle's name was
That
Tuck.
one is like the song where it's the phone. The phone is ringing.
Oh, that's cute. I love that song.
All right,
Alright.
so let's.
I should bring my new ringtone.
All right.
Yeah.
Who do you guys think won this?
Oh, okay. I don't even know all the stuff that we had.
I think both
You-
of yours were pretty good.
I had Harry Potter, 10 Things I Hate About You, Princess Protection Program, and what? Is that just 3?
I think.
And Max Ruby.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
I had the ballerina, Angelina Ballerina, Caillou, Clifford, Rapunzel.
I had Sophia from Sophia the First, Ming Ming from Wonder Pets, Michelle from Full House, and then what was my other one?
No.
George from Curious George.
Okay. I'm gonna say Kinsey wins this one.
Yeah, I agree.
All right. Hooray.
We did it.
Toodaloo podcast.